Hey guys, welcome to video number 8 out of the 9 video series that I made for you guys for affiliate marketing for beginners. I did a step-by-step video with no fluff, no BS. I went straight to the point, nice, quick, and easy to teach you guys how to set up an affiliate marketing business, especially for beginners. So you don't need any experience, you don't need any kind of technical skills or anything like that. So I made it very simple, as easy as possible, and as low budgeted as possible, especially for those that don't have any kind of money as of right now. So I put the links below of all the videos in order, and so you could go back and go at your own speed, and you could learn and set up your business step by step as I teach it to you guys. So the first thing what I did in the video number 1 was I wanted you guys to get mentally prepared, especially to have patience, okay? You have to have patience, you have to set up everything, you have to gather your following and nurture them, and so they could trust you and like you and be friends with you, you know? Because if it's someone that doesn't really know you, they're not gonna trust you. They're gonna say, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. So you have to put them in, in your sequence, in your sales funnel, so you can nurture them and mold them so they can like you and know you and trust you, of course, all right? And on top of that, please be appreciative of what you have, okay? Because a lot of people are worse, or they have it way, they're just in a bad situation, worse, than what we have it. There are people that can't walk, can't talk, can't speak, that don't have a home, don't have a car, some of the things that we have and that we take for granted. So take a step back, take a deep breath, and appreciate everything that you have, and use that energy to spread it out and use it to your following, so you could, be friends with your following and just make friends from all over the world, and therefore recommend products to them, so they could they could help them out and make more money for them as well, and then in turn you make money. That's the way it works. You give and you receive. That's the way the world goes. Whatever goes around comes around. So be conscious about that. The second thing was to find a product. Now, the top 2 parts or top 2 networks are ClickBank and JVZoo. Everybody recommends them. Reason being is because they pay on time and they're very professional at what they do, and it's very simple, especially for beginners, to use and implement into their affiliate marketing business. The third thing was to set up a website. Website is more of a long-term investment. Reason being is because once you start putting the pages together of all the products that you recommend or that you do reviews on or whatnot, they will naturally get into the search engines, and that will give you free traffic within time. So that's why I always recommend that, is to make a website and put everything on that website, such as a blog. A blog is very good. It's very helpful for your business, so it naturally gets you free traffic, and you start getting sales from that when you're just sleeping or having fun or traveling or whatever, and it's very easy to set up. Now, the other thing was the landing page. Landing page is very super simple. All you do is pick the text, you write the text, you pick the colors, you drag and drop a few pictures, and that's it. Just like I said, you don't need any technical skills to make any kind of website or make a landing page. It is very simple, and it's tied in with your email marketing with GetResponse. Very simple. So that was the next thing that I wanted to go into, is your email marketing. I recommend GetResponse. That's the company that I use, and I haven't had any problems with them. And I found that out of the 3 major ones, Aweber, Constant Contact, and GetResponse, they all have free trials. You could go ahead and sign up for them. I also put the link for that. You could try them for free and see which one you like. I just found GetResponse, in my opinion, to be a little easier for me to navigate and to put it into use. Now, again, with that is a sales funnel, so make sure, it's very important, you do the landing page, because you're going to send traffic to the landing page. From the landing page, that's what's going to squeeze out the email. The email is going to go into your autoresponder, which is with GetResponse, and then that's automatically going to be in your autoresponder sequence, so it's going to be advertising for you automatically. So that's kind of like the the automated way, or the automated process of the business. So that's running in the background. So once they leave the squeeze page, then they go to a thank you page. I usually put a video there with my face, just kind of introducing me, because that's the first step of me building my relationship with that customer. And then once they finish that, then they go to the actual JVZoo or ClickBank product, whatever you're promoting. You will get a few sales here and there directly right from there. If not, just be patient, because remember, they are in your automated sequence with GetResponse or your email marketing. And then once they feel comfortable, then they will start buying. So remember, again, be patient, okay? Don't get mad, or don't get all crazy because you're not making sales right away. It happens. That's the way it works. You have to be patient. The next thing was to do with traffic. We went over free traffic sources that I use, which are very valuable. Then we also did paid and social media traffic sources as well, so you could get started. So if you have a few dollars, or you could go out and save a few dollars, then I recommend you doing the paid and social media after you conquer the free traffic sources. Because once you do that, think of a training. You know what works, what doesn't, you're testing. And once you master the free advertising or the free traffic sources, then you can go into paid, because obviously you don't want to lose money. So once you do that, you could implement the same exact thing to the paid sources, and it'll grow much faster, and you won't lose as much money because you know what works for you, and you know your numbers, you know your return on investment. So there you have it. That is the review that I wanted to do for you guys. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope that all the success in the world. I hope that I have done my part and I've taught you as much as I can, and you found a lot of value in my video series. So if you like it, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another daily video of me doing reviews on new products that come out for entrepreneurs to make our business to run a little easier or whatnot. Also to learn new things, and I always do tips and techniques on how to make more money online. I try to do a daily video each and every day for you guys. So if you found value, also give me a thumbs up and hit the notification so you don't miss another video again. And if you have any questions, put it down in the comments and I will contact you, or I will respond to you as soon as I can. And also we have a community. You know, I'm building a community of like-minded entrepreneurs like you and I, and we could bounce ideas off each other so we could all be successful together. Okay, that is my goal. I want a huge group of people, like-minded entrepreneurs, to be successful and just bounce ideas off of each other. And you never know, maybe you could find someone, or we could all do a collaboration and take over the world. You know, you never know. So again, my name is Eric. I'm from Florida, full-time entrepreneur and online marketer, and I'm here to serve you and do everything that I can for you to be successful. So again, look out for the 9th video in this video series. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you soon. So cheers to success.